is up, you guys? So yesterday I left you right by the kitchen. I was having lunch, so I've now had lunch. I got changed a little bit, kind of cleaned a little bit, did some work, took some phone calls. My phone has been like nonstop. I can't mute it though, because if I get a phone call delivery, I gotta keep it. But today, we're decorating. I also need to add some fire. The fire's still going, even though you can't see it. The railing is coming along smittenly. The other thing that I left you with was the elves. The elves have to happen today. The banister needs to be finalized. We're gonna put on a Christmas movie. I'm thinking of making gingerbread cookies. It's gonna be a full festive day. And then I think it's gonna like roll into the evening. And I feel like you guys haven't really been a part of this yet, other than maybe the nighttime routine, which was so fun. Oh, I also need to do my nails, but I kind of wanna make you a part of cocktail hour. So I put on my onesie. I have like, this is very comfortable, by the way, like bra top. But here's how I decorate. I usually like this comes off and then I just tie a knot. Also, I have my little buddy here with me. He loves this thing. He just stays here all day long. I'm thinking of doing peppermint mocha, because I need like my 15th of the day, cookies, music, decorating, adding a log to the fire, and just having a full decorating day, because we gotta mash this out. I wish I had more table services to decorate on, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna make it work. So if you guys want to decorate this freaking house with me today, then just keep watching.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Father, now in flesh appearing, come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
It's fully dark out. I think it's like 5. Andre is on his way home. Carl wanted to hang out on the balcony and I'm like, we're not playing that game. And it's still snowing. It's so pretty. So there's no way for him to get like off of the balcony from this point, like everything's elevated. And I think what would be smart is in the summer to see where that little access point is. That's a step. I think just to add a little gate there would be really smart. Look how cute everything is from outside. Adorable. You guys keep saying it's like a Hallmark movie. A little bit. So we did all the elves almost. Listen, I don't know if those stockings should be in front of the fireplace. I don't feel like that's a wise decision. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going through all of the bins. I'm trying to empty out things that aren't gonna go with this house so that I could donate, and just kind of clear out like stuff that I've accumulated over the years that are just not my vibe anymore. Because I've been doing this, like been doing these videos for 7 years, but I've been decorating our house like intensely for over 10. So Andre's stopping by the village grocery store. He's gonna do groceries for our dinner. I have no idea what we're gonna have. And then when he comes home, we're probably gonna have some martinis, talk about life, and get cozy by the fire for sure. Look how good it looks in here. And soon we're gonna have a dining table. Not anytime soon. Did you have fun? You had a good time? All right, back to the warmth. Let's go eat our gingerbread cookies. Your father's gonna be so happy. Oh, it looks so good. And I'm trying to find like the big ornaments. We're finishing up Polar Express. It is, by the way, it is the most powerful surround sound movie ever. The amount of times I've jumped while it's playing. It's a good movie, but my gosh. I'm getting like all the big oversized ornaments and I'm hanging them from here. I feel like it's a vibe. So yeah, I'm going through bin by bin. Like that pink, first of all, it's completely fallen apart. Like, just a tip, don't buy cheap decor. Like, don't stinge on decor. Like all of these, I think I shared this last year, like each of these aren't glued in. Like, no, I can give this to a good home of someone that will take the time to do it, but also I don't feel like the retro pink is a vibe here at all. But I do think that the white retro one, I think I got that one at Michael's last year. Love it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I have these that I showed you, and I don't think they're gonna go on the staircase. They're so pretty, but they go really well. Like I take the tag off, but I put one on the door, and I just feel like they're like really fluffy. I think that works better for now. Just like on the doors. What are you doing? He loves this pillow. So yeah, FedEx was supposed to deliver a floor lamp today for the loft area. Honestly, I feel like 1 of 6 delivery trucks have been able to make it up our hill. So Andre usually meets them at the bottom of the hill, or they leave it in town for us. It's like, honestly, we're pretty chill about it. Like, it's all good. We'll figure it out. Plan right now is to empty these bins and just get them out, and anything that I don't want in the garage for donations for like friends and family that would like it. All my Squishmallows, by the way, I think I'm gonna give to, like, I have lots of nieces and nephews that would love them, and I feel like that's such a good thing that I can gift to them. But I'm getting hungry and I'm ready for Daddy to come home. But we're gonna mash this out before he does, because he's gonna be so happy that there's cookies and a clean house. Acts of service is his love language. More ribbon. Note to self, stop buying ribbon. Okay, we're in business. I have table stuff. I don't even know how many I have. That's the movie background. Okay, so I have 4. We still only have 2 chairs, but it's all good. But look, I have an idea. My fire is picking up again. I'm getting good at this. All right, so if I do a command hook, which we'll see how well they work. I don't even know if it would work, but like a little hook right here. This is more than safe distance, and I think that it needs to go by the fire. Like, could I put it like here, like on the edge of the... Yeah, and I know what you guys are thinking, like, Angie, chill, but I just, like, I've shared this a million times. I have an actual legit fear of fire. I think this is a vibe. Also, we need to find where these are from. My parents got them for me. I'm gonna do my best to try and figure it out. Well, that's cute. You like by the fire? Oh, can I tell you guys my idea? I think I might have mentioned it, if not. There is a reel that I saw of somebody saying best Disney hotel at Christmas, and it was it was Fort Wilderness, and they had like a screen in front of the fireplace. I want one because then I can keep this all open. You're completely protected. He's good. Like, I don't really love what he's doing right now at all. He's gonna move in like 2 seconds because it gives me anxiety. But I think having like a screen in front of it with like animals on it, or like trees, or like mountains, or I don't know, I found a couple. I think that could be such a vibe. You guys let me know your thoughts. Also, do we love that I put the little pieces of the kindling in the sled? My brother built this sled for me, and he's building the sled bench that I told you guys about. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, if he wants to stay in front of it, I'm just gonna do like this. Safety first. Let's go let's try these command hooks and see what they're all about. I bought a ton of them. And then we're gonna go, yeah, I know, you really wanna go downstairs. You wanna go downstairs? So here's the other thing I'm doing, is anything that I'm like, I want to keep it, but I'm not ready to put it out this year. Example, like a lot of special ornaments like this, I'm not putting them out this year. So, but I don't wanna get rid of them. Same with like my little cupcakes and stuff, which are very special to me. This I'm gonna give to my niece. I think she'll flip over it. Same with the little pouch from one of our merch lines. This I'm gonna take out. I'm definitely gonna decorate with that this year. See, like these, I think my niece and nephew would love these more than I would. Could they work here? Yeah, but could they go to a better home? Probably. So, like that, and then I'm gonna empty the bin. That's so good. Yay! Verdict, I love command hooks. This is everything. I'm gonna maybe add some garland, but I mean, it looks really good like that. Because I couldn't walk through. The power source was this way, it's in my closet. So I put another arch over my closet. Yes! So easy and so good. And then I did the command hooks down there. You guys, we spent the entire day together. This was wild. So Andre just got home. I just turned off my music. He has parcels for us. I have cookies baked for him. He's gonna be thrilled. He's probably starving. Look at this, I hung some little side ornaments. Don't these look so good? These like vintage, these vintage ones. I got them at Michael's. This one too. They were in a big bin at Michael's. So good. You love it? Oh my gosh, he got so much. Look at how clean this is gonna be. This is still like Ziplocs and foil and, or sorry, plastic wrap foil, and then they're already pre-labeled. Ooh, probiotics. This, oh, yes, Merch Sports PJ pants. Yes, girl. Freaking love. Clearly I love plaid, okay? Whatever. Okay, that was fun. It is officially time for a martini. We're gonna have some popcorn. I'm gonna add another log to this fire and we're gonna sit. We've been liking sitting right here. I feel like I spent the entire day with you guys, but in fact I did. It is officially martini hour. We have a fire. I'm about to put on, we're loving, I'll share the playlist, but we're loving listening to lo-fi Christmas music. So it's like popular songs that are kind of like, Andre, what's lo-fi? My battery died, let's try that again. So we have been listening to lo-fi Christmas music, which is like, I don't know, jazz, hip hop mixture with Christmas songs. It's a vibe. So I'm gonna put that on, enjoy our little area. I just wanna say the command hooks came in like real freaking well. You can see my archway up there. It feels like we're at the North Pole. We are at Santa's workshop and it's incredible. So I hope that you guys enjoyed all the decorating. That was a lot of decorating and I really want to get off my feet for a minute. But in case you didn't know, this is the only one right now that has a name. His name is Bernard. He's the OG and he's pretty fabulous. And I'm very happy with this elf railing. I think we crushed it. If you guys have suggestions, I'm all ears. I'm gonna keep decorating, bringing down the bins, and I'm gonna get, it'll be like a nice clean slate, so I love that. Tomorrow we're probably gonna do the bar cart, kitchen, tiered trays-ish category, and we're just gonna trek along. I'm so excited. So I will see you guys then, tomorrow. Bye, dudes.
No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.